Hi, so I'm just creating a quick screencast to show there's a few more images than I thought on this Facebook page. If I come down to see all here, there is some good photos. So these are all, that's a good photo, that's a great photo, that's a great photo, that's Jess. If we can use that, still a great photo. Yep, these are all good images. All of these images can go on the website. They're great. So, Magdalena, could you get these images? If I right click on it, yep, save image as. You can get all of these images off and put them onto the Google Drive so that they're all in one spot. Then we can assess all images that we have and see where we need to go from there. Okay, great. Thank you. Cheers.